So what have we been up to at H&N Creations? I want to show you. I haven't done a lot of cabin stuff, but we're prepping some things. So stay tuned. Let's give you a quick update. The first update, we redid our garage a little bit, put some drywall up, framed it, got some 2x4s around. And as we do more and more milling, we're running out of place to put wood. But what we've done here is we milled a bunch of wood, and all of this is going to end up being the tongue and groove for the ceiling in the cabin. So we're letting it dry. We noticed last time when we did the walls, some of it wasn't dry all the way. It didn't plane that nice, and running it through the router table is a little difficult. So we're going to do it right this time, let it dry a little bit. We got a couple months yet before spring, and found some places to put wood that's dried and ready to go. Milled some other wood. We have so many projects. Like these are some loft boards down at the bottom there. And this is just for wood storage. So in this big pole barn that we have, it's sort of a garage slash shop. The other half of it is the shop, and we'll show you that next, now that you've seen wood storage, so you get a better handle on that. So here is the other half. So what we've done is quite a bit of work in the shop. This has taken months. This is why we haven't been making a lot of videos. We've been just working on this, making Christmas presents, things like that. But this used to be a paint booth. You can sort of see on the ground where it used to be. I used to do paint for motorcycles and things like that. Well, mostly into wood these days. So tore the walls down, used those to rebuild the walls, milled some wood. Basically wanted to get a little more organized and get our stuff set out here so we can do some bigger projects. The one thing I'm lacking here is a good workbench. So that's what these boards are, and these boards over here. So these are all on wheels so I can get them out of the way, and I want to put a nice workbench here, like one of those really nice ones. So that's what I'm working on right now. Once that's done, then I'll have a good platform to start working on things a lot easier, and all the wood was free, it was from the property. I milled it up. You can see some of them need a little bit of work, but that's all right. We'll cut them short, use them for something. I can plane them, run them through the jointer, clean them up. So that's what I'm gonna be doing out here today, is a little bit of cleanup on these boards. That's the top, and I'm gonna glue those up. So in short, this is what we've been up to. Well, that's not entirely true. We have done a couple projects. This was a Christmas project that we did. First time doing finger joints. So I made this little table saw sled, made a little jig to do this. It turned out super cool. Here's, right before it was finished, this is what the box looked like. And then here's a picture of it all finished up. The top was actually painted using a Cricut stencil. My wife's got a Cricut. And we did this, and I was really happy with it for my first time doing finger joints. The other large project is this fireplace wall that my wife's been wanting for a while. 2x4 construction for the frame, and the slats we bought at a big box store. But the hearth and mantle are from an oak tree on the property. So we milled it, planed it, cleaned it up, and put Rubio Monocoat on it. Couldn't be happier. So hopefully this is most of our local projects. Now we're going to focus on other things. Want to thank everybody for being patient as we prepare to make more videos. So we do have a lot of cool things we're going to do this year. So stay tuned. There will be more content, but when you want to do work, you need to get your shop in order, and that work area is super, super important. So stay tuned for more stuff, and thanks for watching. Really appreciate you guys. It's kind of what the fun is for, to show somebody. So bye-bye.